Hello everyone and welcome to another Meta Ads tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to reply to Facebook messages, Instagram messages and comments all from one place within our Meta Business Manager or Meta Business Suite. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So first thing you need to do is to go to your Meta Business Manager or Meta Business Suite, which means you need to go to business.facebook.com. From there, if you are in the Meta Business Manager, you need to open all tools and you need to select Inbox. If you are in the Meta Business Suite, then on the left-hand side, you're already going to see this option that is called Inbox. So you are going to click here in the Inbox, and here you will be able to see all your messages. You will be able to see the messages that people send you on Messenger. You should be able to see the Instagram messages that you received. And also you should be able to see the Facebook comments here. You should be able to see also the Instagram comments right here. And from the screen, you should be able to reply basically to everyone from your desktop in an organized way. If you have a WhatsApp account connected to your Meta Business Manager or Meta Business Suite, you should be able also to see all the messages that you get from WhatsApp basically here. So there is one screen, it's called Inbox here. If you are in Meta Business Suite, all you need to do is to select it from the left-hand side. If you are in the Meta Business Manager, then you should open basically all tools. And if you open all tools, here you should be able basically to see an option under Engage Audience, which is called Inbox. And under the screen, again, you should be able to see all the messages that you are receiving on Facebook, on Instagram, on Facebook comments, Instagram comments, and so forth. And from there, you can actually select them, you can reply, you can ignore, you can actually do whatever basically you like basically here from the screen, from your desktop directly without having to open the apps on mobile. So that's it. That's how easy it is to reply to all Facebook, Instagram comments, all Messenger messages, Instagram messages, and so forth from your Meta Business Manager or Meta Business Suite. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye everyone.